Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can start dropshipping on Shopify. Now, we all know for a fact that Shopify is one of the biggest platform in the industry. And if you want to start your dropshipping business, where best to start it from a place that understands exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it and supports you in every single possible way. Now, the global commerce platform is available right now, and Shopify is one of the biggest platforms on it right now. You can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reasons why millions of entrepreneurs right now are choosing Shopify to build their business. And the best thing, which I personally feel, is that you can learn from all these entrepreneurs. You can learn from the mistakes and from what they have done right, and obviously implement those strategies and those things that have made them successful businesses in today's time and period. And obviously, one of the major things which I feel that this tends to give you is a competitive advantage, because when so many people are in the industry, you can understand exactly what needs to be done and how you need to actually do it. You can build an online front store very simply by dragging and dropping store creator, and there's no coding expertise, guys, that are required at all, because you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And the best thing, guys, is that you can add features and functionalities to your online store with the apps built by trusted Shopify developers. And obviously, when you combine all these elements together, you will get a recipe for success, because you can sell to every buyer everywhere. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, the social integrations, and the sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. All you need to do is worry about growing your business. Everything else is going to be taken care of by Shopify. Now, obviously, one of the major things which a lot of people tend to ask me is exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. And that is the reason why I've created all these videos which are available on our channel, so you can head over there and check it out. If you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. Click on the description below in the link and get it for 90 days. It is very simple and straightforward to set up your Shopify account, but the main problem comes is when you want to select a unique product to sell on your Shopify store. But with the support of Shopify, you get a lot of elements such as new leads, engaging customers, and the data that you can build on. And you can stream your backline office as well, which oversees your operation and fulfills every single order. You can manage your money from where you make it. It is that simple, straightforward, and easy, guys. And all you need to do is find the right product. So what we're going to do now is head over to aliexpress.com. Now, I personally believe aliexpress.com is a very unique website, because it gives you an opportunity to select a particular product that is definitely going to have a market. And obviously, when you can select a product that has a market, you'll be able to sell that particular product. And how you do that is quite simple. You scroll down, and once you scroll down, you'll be able to see super deals. You'll be able to see featured categories and more. You'll be able to look at different products that are available at a bargain price. And that is one of the things I feel is very unique with AliExpress, because you get products at a very discounted price. You get products directly from the source. And obviously, once you get products that are so cheap, you can always increase the price and have a brilliant price margin to sell it on. And especially right now with Christmas just around the corner, this gives you the best opportunity and time to buy in bulk, save those products, and a couple months down the line, you can start selling those products at a higher price, because the sales and the promotion period is going to finish. So what we need to do is quite simple and straightforward. Let's search for a particular product. I think a massager at this moment in time is going to be a very good product to go for. As we search for a massager, there's going to be a lot of elements that's going to be available, a lot of products that are going to be available. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on orders and then actually organize these. These are particular products that are available, which are being sold at this moment in time. If you look at this product over here, 12,382 have been sold at $50 and with free shipping. So any individuals that were selling them, especially them that who have sold it, they've made at least $50 million off this particular product. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see this product being sold for $26 and 9,853 have been sold, 8,600 have been sold, 7,000 have been sold, 6,900 have been sold, and this particular product for 83 cents, 5,951 have been sold. This person off only this simple product has made almost $6,000. And that is the beauty of today's time and age, because you can get products that people want, you can get products that people need, and you can get products that people want to buy. And one of the major things which I always mention to individuals is finding the actual niche and actual overlap between a need and a want product. And the question people tend to ask me is that what is a need product and what is a want product? Now, guys, let me explain something to you, which is very crucial for you to understand. A need product is something that is required and you need to have it and you cannot live without it. A want product is a luxurious product that you can do without. But once you combine these elements together and find a niche, a product, a listing, an area that people need and want at the same time, that is where the main money is, and that way is where the main profit is. And obviously a massager is a product which is required with people that have back pains, people that have period pains, people have a lot of issues, and they want to get a massager because a massager will take away their pains and give them the pain-free life they always wanted and deserved. And that is the reason why we've included this on the list today, and that is the reason we're talking about this, because this is a product that definitely has a market that can make you a lot of money. So once you have found that particular product, the story doesn't end over there, and the story takes you to the next place, and the next place is the fact that you need to head over to eBay and search for the same product. And you might be thinking, why do we have to do that? The reason why you have to do that is because you want to get a right feel and understanding of what the products are available and at what price they're available. And once you understand the different dynamics that are available, you can actually take matters to the next level and be able to find the right product to sell on your Shopify store. Because I believe that the right product is a product that can make you a lot of money. And if you can select the right product and sell the right product and have the right product on your store, you will definitely have a lot of individuals that would want to come to your store and buy those products from you. And especially with Christmas just around the corner, you want to make sure that you select the right product for your customers and the audience that looks and comes to your store. And once you do that, you'll be able to enhance and take your shop to the next level. Now what we're going to do is they were looking at eBay and looking at all these amazing products that are available for $20, and 17 watchers are available, and $5 at 29 cents 31s are available. Now what we would need to do is actually do research and come over to our Sellers Hub. On our Seller Hubs, you're gonna have a lot of elements over here. We're gonna click on research, and as we do, we're gonna look at a deep understanding of the product and how much it's being sold and who is selling them. So we're gonna search for massagers over here, and as we do that, you'll be able to see all the different elements that are gonna be available and different products that people are gonna be selling. And obviously, this is gonna give us a more detailed information about this particular product. The average price that is being sold is for $35.51. So we wanna make sure that we're selling it for $35, $40, $28 around that area, and the average shipping price is $11. 124,599 have been sold, and the total sale is $4.4 million. So clearly this is an excellent product to have, and there are 17,000 sellers that are currently available and selling these particular products. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the different products that are available, massagers that people are selling, and you can also start selling these massagers. It is very simple, it's very easy. All you need to do is understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. And obviously, once you've done it, you'll be able to make a lot of money off this particular product. And once you've done it, all you need to do is head over to YouTube and look at all these individuals on YouTube, content creators on YouTube that are wanting to sell this particular product or talking about this particular product. So what we're going to do is we're going to search for massagers over here. And as we search for massagers, you'll be able to see all the content creators that are available that are selling this particular product. This individual has 368,000 views right now in the last 2 years. This individual has 9,000 views. So we're going to click over here and we're going to head over to their page. And as we head over to their page, we're going to click over here and check out this particular video. This has 9,000 views in the last 5 days. It has 156,000 subscribers. So let's click and check this channel out. And we're going to go to the About Us over here. And as we do that, we'll see they have 60 million views. And obviously we can email them and tell them, listen, we have a product and we can partner up. And as you partner up with them, you'll be able to sell these particular products directly to them, meaning they can put and talk about that product and put the link of your store in the description below. And whenever someone wants to buy this product, they're going to head over there and buy the product from them, from your store, using their video, thus making them money and you money at the same time. It is really as simple, straightforward, and easy as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you have any issues whatsoever, you can also talk to me about them, and I'll be sure to help you out and support you and guide you and assist you. If you like the video, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.